Hey ladies, welcome back. We have a cute wig from Zury Sis today. The name of this wig is Boss and we have it in the color Oil Peacock. Stay tuned. She's a beautiful one. So this is the color of the wig and I hope it is coming off good on camera. It is a pretty interesting color. So let's get into what peacock comes. Now we all know what a peacock looks like. So basically it has all those colors in the wig, except they also blended it, looks like, with maybe a 1B. So let me get close so you can kind of see this. So you get dark root throughout the whole wig, looks like, or maybe, so you get dark root quarter way through. So from here all the way around. And then you get some purple, blue, green, and looks like a blondish yellow underneath. All of that goes into this really pretty color. It's pretty. Okay. Here's the parting area, and it's just a straight part. We may want to do something with that. We'll see. And it goes back pretty far. It even goes back some more if you want to take it back even further. You get 2 combs in the front, right on the side of the part right here. You do not get combs at the temple, and then you get a comb in the back. The cap construction is your regular cap construction where you have tracks and then you have the stretchy pieces to fit over your braids. Okay, divas, this is the wig on and she lives up to her name. She is totally boss hair. She is holiday glam. She is special occasion. She is birthday hair. So let's get into it. I am just going to go through and comb out these curls. I'm going to go through here and do that with my fingers, finger comb them out, and just kind of style it. As you can see, I have it in a middle part. That's the way it is designed to be worn. However, I'm not feeling it, girl, so I'm going to switch it over to the right side, pin back my hair just a little bit, and take a couple of edges out. I'm not cutting anything out special. I'm just going to take a couple pieces from around the sides and use some of my Got to Be Glued spray and just spray that piece down and put it behind my ears, and then bring that curl forward some, adding some spray. That is just to hold that curl in place. And then I'm going to move to the other side, pretty much use the same technique. This hair is gorgeous. The curls in here is everything, and you don't need much to make her look bomb, girl. So watch me finish with this, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts on Miss Boss. And she's bossy. She's bossy. Final look for Miss Boss, and I will tell you that she is just that to me. She is totally boss hair. Like, wow. So as I show you, the cap construction is your normal cap construction. The only thing is you do not get lace on here, so you do not have to worry about cutting lace off. So that's a pro for those who don't like to cut off lace, and it's a con for those who like to cut lace off of their wigs and they like to make their hairline look a little bit more customized. Now, I think that I could go in, if I was to wear this, and customize it a lot better, but just for the sake of time in the video, this is just how I would style it just for now. As you saw, it's supposed to come as a middle part. That's how the model was wearing it. And as a middle part, it's pretty. I'm just not much of a middle part girl. I will wear it every now and then, but most of the time I'm like right or left. I have to, or even like now, this one didn't totally over to like the right side, but it's like mid. It's just not straight in the middle. So I don't know why. I'm just extra. But anyway, it's really, really cute. I think either way, side or middle. What I really like about this one, I knew that it would be like a regular wig, but what I liked about it was I wanted to try the color because it said oil peacock. And I know maybe earlier last year, I'm not really sure, they were coming out with a lot of like the peacock units, oil slick units. And I don't know, I never got into it, I never tried it. And so I had the opportunity to try one, and I was like, okay. Now this one is an older unit. If you're into when things come out, for me, I'm not, but some people are like, is it new, is it not new? It's not a new unit, so you should be able to get this unit, but it's just really pretty. So besides the color, because everybody isn't going to be into this color, but besides the color, the unit itself is beautiful. So the cons to the unit, it's probably going to be just the parting area if you like to cut it off, and maybe the density for some people. Now, I like the density. I like how it gradually gives you a little bit more density at the bottom. It's not thin at top, but it doesn't have the curls like this. So it gives you, to me, even flow, but some people that may be a con. That's why I mentioned it. But I'm telling you, this is some glam hair. I absolutely like love this hair. You don't have to put curls in it. It comes with these beautiful curls. And as you saw, all I did was go through and rake it with my fingers and a little bit with my brush. So the pros of this hair is, it's okay. The hair density, number one, is the pro. Hair density is everything. This hair isn't skimp. You got plenty of hair. I like how long it is. I think that if you want to cut it, because they put layers, you could probably cut it up to here. If you were to do that, I would definitely use thinning shears. I wouldn't just go in and directly cut it. I would use some thinning shears to cut it so that you can get your ends to look as natural as possible. The other thing that I love about the hair is I actually love this color. Wasn't sure I would like this color because I'm like, it looks kind of weird, but I do like it. You only get this yellow color peeking through at the bottom, but once you blend them all together, it's really cute to me. It's just really different, and I'm always thinking like, what could be different than just a 1B or a 2 or even a solid color? If you want to try something, try this. Now the oil slick, the good thing about them is they're not bright, but you see the color. Like, it's not vibrant, but the color is there. I mean, I'm not in sunlight or anything, but you can tell it's some color there. I want to make sure you guys can see that. So I do like the color. Cap construction is good. Now, the cap construction is actually kind of big. Like, I probably could go in the back and hook the straps in some more. I just did them the way that they came, but I could probably go in and do them a little bit more because it's like, it's big. You know, if I was to wear this, I would definitely have to use some bobby pins. And for those who like combs, because there's no combs on the side, you would have to use bobby pins. But other than that, I have no complaints. This hair hasn't shed. I think in time, obviously, you probably will get tangling. It's a long unit. It's synthetic. It's going to tangle. But the hair texture on this feels so good. It is so soft. And it also has a little bit of texture to it. So it gives you like that soft yaki. And lately, I must be nailing it because all these units have been like a soft yaki texture, something that I can work with that I really like. So this is another hit for me. Like I say, I know the color may not be for everybody, but the wig itself is really cute. So I will leave all the information for purchasing this unit in the description box below. If you ladies have not yet, please subscribe to the channel. Please support the channel. We would love to have you over here on our channel. Join the family. Hit the bell next to the subscription button if you'd like to be notified when I upload a video. And if you decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media, please do not forget to tag me in it. As you know by now, my name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.